Search Top Reviews Guide for top-rated product reviews, or go to the link in the description below for more details. TopReviewGuide.com presents Best Network Cable Testers. Number 1. Fluke Networks MS2FTK Microscanner 2 Network Cable Tester and Fiber Tester. This cable tester has an oversized backlit display that allows seeing results even in a dark closet. The rubber wrap-around holster makes it perfect for the difficult jobs. All the main test results are available on a single screen. Number 2. Fluke Networks 6 Network Cable Tester. Capable to identify and troubleshoot many problems within the infrastructure. This test can minimize the problem escalation by up to 30%. The advanced technology of this Fluke cable tester allows the technicians to solve trouble tickets quickly and minimize on-call time. Number 3. Fluke Networks CIQ-KIT Cable IQ Network Cable Tester Kit with Tone Generator. Its graphical maps wiring configuration show the exact distance to the faults that can be extremely useful for the network technicians. This Fluke tester is a reliable product that has mainly garnered positive reviews from its users. Number 4. Fluke Networks CIQ-KRQ Cable IQ Network Cable Tester. The cable test comes with 4 AA batteries that have a long life. Its intuitive user interface and useful guides make it easy to use for a user having no previous experience. It has a lightweight body that makes it handy for the technicians who travel a lot. Number 5. NETSCOUT LRAT 2000 Link Runner, a copper and fiber Ethernet network tester. Identifies network problems very quickly. Pretty affordable price that can easily fit in everyone's budget. High quality and reliable product. Number 6. Fluke Networks FTK 1000 Simply Fiber Pro Multimode Fiber Verification Kit. Wonderful product that can satisfy all the requirements of fiber cleaning, inspection, and verification. No need for any kind of power measurement setup while using this product. Its basic verification kit is amazing for the new users. Number 7. Fluke Networks DTX 1800 MSO120 GLD DTX 1800 Kit. A multitasking product capable of inspecting, troubleshooting, and certifying copper network cabling. Performs 3 different types of tests. Number 8. HDE RJ45 RJ11 RJ12 Cat5 Cat6 UTP Network Cable Tester. The product is very cheap, making it perfect for the home and office use. Easy to use the device. Capable to detect networking issues in a room up to 200 feet away. Number 9. Fluke Networks MS2TTK Microscanner 2 Network Cable Tester Kit. No requirement for the awkward adapters to detect network problems. Highly efficient installation can be possible with this product, capable to verify the common voice, data and video services. Number 10. Fluke Networks MS2KIT Network Cable Tester Kit with Probe. The test shut down automatically if there is an inactivity for 1 hour. Results are shown in a crystal clear and large LED. The device comes with lots of accessories that are pretty useful. Please check the description below this video to have this special link and subscribe our channel.